Hey guys, Brian with VetteSource here on a Monday morning, December 2nd, coming to you with another part from our Corvette parts collection here. Now, I know you're probably looking at this going, why in God's name would you bother to feature a gas pedal? Well, of course, this is a gas pedal, but if you're a sharp observer, you'll notice this isn't just a regular gas pedal. This actually has a little bit more of a contraption built into it. You can see the springs here, actually 3 different tension springs with a not a servo motor, but an actual sensor motor built into it. Now, why would you need a sensor motor built into a gas pedal assembly? So this is the first generation, or the first iteration, when Corvettes went to a throttle-by-wire system, okay? If you look at it closely, there's no cable connection from the gas pedal to the motor on this. You can see the spring pressure is pretty heavy on this. This was the first throttle-by-wire, like what the aircraft used, and this is applicable for 1997 to 2004 and up Corvettes. This gas pedal assembly works on 97 to 04s, and what this does is when you push down on this gas pedal here, of course when you're wanting to go fast, what it does is the sensor tells the TAC module, which is a throttle actuator control module, how far down the gas pedal the angle is of the gas pedal, how far the angle or what angle it's at. The throttle actuator control takes that information, sends it to the throttle body, and the throttle body has a stepper motor that actually opens the throttle blades a proportionate amount so that you get the throttle response you're looking for. So it's actually a pretty cool system. Like I said, it took them a while before they finally introduced it to cars. Aircraft have had it for a while. You know, they used to use push-pull cables and control systems like that, but then the aircraft went to the throttle and cable-by-wire systems, so the car manufacturers pretty much use it for everything. In fact, I think even now they use it for, what am I trying to say? They use it for steering mechanisms as well, if I remember correctly. I may be wrong on that. But this is a correct gas pedal assembly for a 97 to 04 Corvette. If you're doing an LS conversion, this is a very vital piece to have. A lot of salvage yards and other places don't know to keep this part. They just think it's a regular gas pedal, so they leave it in there and these get lost or crushed with the cars. So this is one of those things. It's a Corvette only item because the Camaro and Firebird LS motors did not have the throttle-by-wire. It was only the Corvettes that had it. So this one is available for sale. If you've got a need for it, my name is Brian with VetteSource, and you can reach me at 832-654-7367. I've been dealing in Corvette parts for over 20 years now, so I probably got something else that you may need if you don't need this one. Just give me a call and let me know. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll check back with you next time. Thanks.